Hi, this is Lila and I'm gonna show you how to clean your AIRTEX airbrush gun. So in your cup, you're gonna have color and you're gonna wanna spray it out. You can spray it out into a paper towel, you can spray it out into a regular towel, or you can spray it out into a 4x4, or you could spray it out into your kettle. So either one. With your kettle does have a filter in the middle of it to help prevent the fumes from spraying upwards. So if you would like to use that, I would use that. You can spray your excess gel inside of this kettle, and what you can do to make sure and maintain that it's clean is you can open it up and get a plastic bag and wrap it inside. So that way it catches all of the excess gel and it doesn't ruin your kettle. Perfect. So with your kettle, besides spraying the excess amount of gel inside of your kettle, what you can do is you can also clean the tip nozzle of your gun with these bristles. So I have a cup full of color, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray the excess amount of color into the kettle first. All right, so now I have this inside the cup of my airbrush gun, and what I'm gonna do to clean is I'm gonna use the deep cleanser from AIRTEX. All right, so we only need 2 or 3 drops. You don't wanna overfill your cup. And make sure to cap your dilution and your deep cleanser right after using it. Okay, so right now we have the deep cleanser inside the cup of the airbrush, and you're gonna grab a 4x4, or you can use a napkin, you can use a towel, but I'm gonna use a 4x4, a lint-free wipe. I'm gonna push it up against the nozzle super tightly so that I create like a ring. That's how tight you need to press up against the gun. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press down for air, and I'm gonna pull back for color. And the airflow should flow back into the gun, moving the deep cleanser to clean the needle of the gun. And I'll do that a few times, and then I'm going to spray out. And again, you can use your kettle or you can use your 4x4. And I'll do it one more time until it runs clean. So when using your deep cleanser, make sure that you do see the bubbling happening inside of your cup. That ensures that the air is flowing back through the gun and making sure that your airbrush is getting cleaned out. Okay, it's clean.